What's up guys, Gator with self.dev. Welcome to the second video in our HTML tutorial series. If you missed the first one, look in the description or at the top of the video and I will have a link for you to check out that first video. It will cover the software you need to download for this tutorial series. Now the way I want you to go through these tutorials, I want you to have a notebook. I want you to take notes the first time you watch the video. Then I want you to go through it again, because these are going to be short. They're going to be like 5 to 10 minute videos. The first time you go through, take notes. The second time I want you to code along with me. And then I want you to do the challenge, okay? So in this one, we're gonna talk about HTML, super basic stuff. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language, write that down. It is basically the scaffolding or the organization of a web page. This is what a page looks like with just HTML. You usually hear HTML and CSS. CSS is the style, HTML is the layout, the organization. So this is just HTML here. Now, if we refresh, it pulls in the CSS and you get all the styles and the page looks way better. But for the first few years of the web, it was just HTML documents linking to other HTML documents. So you would just have that unstyled chunk of text. Now, HTML is written in tags. So you will usually have a left angle bracket and then the tag name, and then the right angle bracket. And then this is the opening tag. And then you will also have a closing tag. The only difference is it's gonna have this slash at the start. And that says, hey, this is the closing tag. Now, the only thing that changes in tags generally is gonna be the tag name. So today we're gonna talk about the heading tags and then the paragraph tag. So the first heading tag is an H1. This is usually going to be the most important title on the page. You're only going to have one of these on the page generally. When Google looks at the page, it says, all right, this is the H1, this is what the page is about. So if we have a website about cats, it would be whatever the cat website name is. For this one, we'll just say HTML tutorial. So that would be the most important tag on the page. All right, so now if we save with Control S or Command S on Mac, and then right click. If you installed the extensions from last time, you should have open with live server here. And then this is our H1 tag. The heading tags go from H1 to H6. H1 is usually the most important. Then H2 is subheadings. H3 is less important. H4 is even less important. H5 and H6 or so on. So if we do H2 and then we will copy that. And we will switch that out with H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And then right here, we will just say by Garrett Hughes. And then in here, we can do test and copy that and put that in all of these and save. And then if we go back to our page and reload, you can see we're going to zoom in a little bit because that's hard to see. Is that really how small an H6 is? That is tiny. We're gonna zoom in a lot so you guys can see this. So we've got our H1, this is the H2, the H3, H4, H5, and H6. So you can see they get smaller with each step down. Now, next one we're gonna talk about is the paragraph tag or the P tag. And this is usually we're gonna have the big chunks of text, the paragraphs. We are gonna use lorem ipsum text a lot in here for placeholder text. We use lorem ipsum text because it kind of looks like it might be real text, but then if you look at it super close and actually read it, it's gibberish. It's not real, but it looks real when you're just glancing over the page, so we can use it as placeholder text. So P tags, usually going to have big chunks of text, paragraphs in them. And then if we refresh here, we've got our P tag. So again, the H tags, those are headings. Those should be like the title of the paragraph. So if this was about like how to feed your cats properly, the H tag above it would be how to feed your cats properly, and then this would be the paragraph about how to feed your cats properly. So that is it for this video. Now the challenge. I want you to build a page that looks like this. You're gonna pick your favorite animal. My favorite animal that you can legally own in the States is cats. So I did cats. So you're gonna have the animal name with the most important tag, by your name for the second most important tag, and then you're gonna have the third most important for the titles, and then you're gonna have a little paragraph description of the facts. Now, if you don't want to actually Google and find anything, you are welcome to just use lorem ipsum text for placeholder text, but you should have a title, a subheading, subheading 3 times, and then paragraph chunks like this. Now, once you get this done, I want you to screenshot the page. If you need a plugin for that, there's a plugin called Go Full Page. You can install for Google Chrome. If you're on another browser or you're on your own, use Google to find something. But you can click that and it will take a picture for you. I want you to look in the description, come join the Discord, and I want you to post a picture of your completed task in the HTML Challenge 1 chat. And then I want you to go to introductions and introduce yourself. Just say, hey, this is my name, I'm from here, and I want to do X. Like, I want to become a web developer, I'm just doing this as a hobby, I just think this is cool, I want to learn it, whatever you're doing. And if you have any questions, feel free to post a comment down below. Make sure you read some of the comments though, because your question might and or probably is already answered. I think that's about it for this one. So I will talk to you guys in Discord, and I will see you next time. Peace.
Round 1.